Hi, our application name is COVID-19 Live Tracker, and my name is Vivekman, and I am from Ludhiana. And I currently pursuing my BTech from Guru Nanak Dev Engineering College.
Hi, this is Vishal Maurya. I am from Ludhiana and I am currently pursuing my BTech from Guru Nanak Dev Engineering College.
I am Vanshika. I belong to Ludhiana and I am currently pursuing BTech from Guru Nanak Dev Engineering College. We have an idea to develop app more user friendly so that every individual can use freely our application without any problem.
Actually, we have a lot of ideas, but our examination is also started. So, due to less time or time management, we have tried everything to cover in our app related the features of COVID-19, which is really helpful for the welfare of society, like online vaccination forms, online medical facilities. I think which is needed by everyone in this pandemic time.
We use all the information or knowledge which is already known to us, but because due to limited time, there is no chance to learn again or learn something new, and to implement this in our application. So that's why we decided to go with the present knowledge. Here is the splash screen of our application. Let me move toward into inside the application after sign in. Here we have added all the feature like hospital live report, medical e-pass, vaccination. Let me introduce my application. This is all the features which we have added. If you want to call, there is a feature of calling. Let me move toward the see statistics page. Let me click over here. Here is a notification fetched from API or Firebase. Welcome. This is the live statistics of COVID-19. Okay, developed by Vivek, Vishal, and Vanchika. Let me go to the all details. Or if you want to track country, then here is also possible. If you want to track any country like Iran or India having a total cases 1035. Let me move toward the all details. In all details we have added healthcare nearby hospital. Let me click on healthcare. Healthcare we have diseases like fever, headache. If you have headache, then you click on headache and there is a medicine which will be verified by us. If you want to buy it online, then click on buy now, and here is the amount written over here. You have to second feature. If you reason not mention here, you have to reach to the nearby hospital which will be added by us also. You may select Ludhiana as I belong to Ludhiana, and you may contact the hospital directly by clicking on contact button, and you may locate the location and move toward that location by vehicle or something. Let me move toward back of this application, and let me introduce about precautions. And here is the donation feature which will be added. Like I have added 55 amount and click on donate, and here is the Paytm rupees 55 have been paid by me for to the government. If you want to pay anybody else in your family or your friend, you may have to type your UPI ID. Right now I'm going back, and here is the QR code. Anybody sit behind you, you have told them to scan the QR code and directly pay them. There is a WHO guideline. You may click on and here is the guideline, and let me move back, and here is the curfew passes. Like if you want to move outside or inside the Punjab, then here is also possible. Let me click on lockdown pass. Here you have to added choose file, and we have added all the integrated feature so that you add any application, any file over here in an application. Okay, now let me move toward the if you move toward the inside the Punjab or outside the Punjab, let click on e-registration and fill the form. Okay, now let me go toward the vaccination certificate and verify, and here you have to verify your number first. Like I have typed here and get OTP. My OTP is 55386 25386. Okay, now this is my OTP and register member. Let me click over here. You have to mention all the detail, and let me introduce our application in detail further. Thank you.
We are the second year students and we are not so professional in Android development. So obviously we have faced many problems like time management and implementing the API integrations to fetch the live data of corona cases, but we did this. Thanks to Niyantra and Almighty God, as it is a great achievement for us.
We learnt a lot like fetching data from API and using Firebase and integrating it in application. But the main thing is that we learnt a lot from this hackathon, like team leadership, time management, and my parents asked me, what did you do all time day at night in laptop? And my reaction was like, I am making a COVID-19 application, and this is the that point I feel proud of myself.